Good morning, guys. Okay, so really it's like 11. I'm just now about to eat something. I am incredibly tired today. Honestly, it's because I stayed up watching something on Netflix. So I got up this morning, got the kids to school, went and got some coffee, and I'm just really tired. So ignore the bed behind me because I haven't made my bed. Today is usually like I try to really do cleaning on like Wednesdays, or I'm sorry, today's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, by the way, on Tuesdays. And today I'm just kind of like, I don't really feel like doing it. So I just made me some breakfast. I think I'm going to go sit out on the patio and eat it. And maybe I'll like wake up. Yeah, so let's go eat. Okay, so by the way, it's like super hot outside. So I had a little sweater on. So I just took it off. I'm in my tank top, but it's really, really hot. Yeah, so I guess I'm going to show you guys what I'm eating, and you'll probably make fun of me, but I mean, it's really not that weird. I just made some scrambled eggs because I literally eat eggs every single day, turkey bacon, and then I got coffee from McDonald's this morning. So I'm just having a very slow day, but later on I got to book it because that one over there has his preschool graduation today, don't you? Yeah. A little tidbit. I figured I'm going to kind of give you guys like a little, our little deck tour. I've purchased a few little things here recently, and I'm really obsessed with a couple of the things that I got. So originally I was going to do everything just like really neutral because I already had like bright pillows and cushions for the old patio chairs that we had, and then we got a new table like a year ago. So the chairs are like 3 years old, so they're pretty faded, but then the table is like a year and a half. So here, I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, so I've told you guys before that we rent, and this big rug, one of the main reasons I wanted this rug was because when we moved in, they had painted the deck, and it's just chipped so bad, so I really wanted an outdoor rug. So I just picked a neutral color so that it would go with everything, because my table is like a neutral color. So these 4 chairs we've had, these 2 actually go to our front porch, and they go with another table, but I'm gonna go and buy a couple more of these chairs. They sell them at like the dollar store. I just haven't bought any yet. So I figured I'd show you guys. All right, and then we have a little kids table over there. I just have to buy some new chairs for it. Oh, and I love my black and white striped umbrella. So when I saw all the pineapple stuff, I decided I wanted to do like pineapples and the black and white striped, because these are what I already had. And by the way, I found all of these at like Dollar General like last year, so they probably have something similar but not the same thing. And then these Home Sweet Home pineapple pillows were $5 each at Walmart. Similar style pillows like this at Lowe's are $20, so definitely don't buy them there. As well as the grill is about $300 more. That's also from Walmart. The rug, which by the way is like really nice to walk on, is from Amazon. So I don't have any of the details for that because it was a gift for my birthday. Yeah, so that is what we have going on. Oh, and a little pineapple tiki. It's a light, like a tiki torch. Is also from Walmart for like $6. I really should have bought 2, but at this time I just wanted to see if I liked it. But I haven't even used it yet. So that is my little patio tour. Alright. So I told you guys today is my cleaning day. Let me just show you, because we went kayaking Sunday on Mother's Day, and then we grilled out Sunday night, so that's why the other 2 random chairs are out there. And it's just like my kitchen. Still stuff over there from kayaking. I just haven't cleaned anything. I mean, I guess it's not that bad, but I don't want to hide it and pretend like, oh, my house is always perfect, because let's be real, I have 3 kids. My house is a disaster unless I'm constantly keeping it clean. So yeah, so I don't really have much to vlog today, but I figured I'd start this vlog off today and give you guys a little patio tour, and then take you guys along to Landon's preschool graduation later on. Really quick, I'm going to show you guys a little mom hack for lunch. So if they ever ask for like a grilled cheese or a grilled ham and cheese and you just don't feel like actually making it on the stove at the time, this is really great, and my youngest actually asks for it this way. So all I did was, I'm just going to put the turkey with the cheese on top because it will melt to the plate otherwise. Pop this in the microwave for like, I don't know, just long enough to get that cheese like good and melted-ish. And then I pop 2 pieces of bread in the toaster, and I'm sure this isn't just like a mom hack. Other people do this, but I get it like just the right amount of toastiness. Okay, so I just warmed up that bread, got it nice and warm, and then it all just kind of will like melt together, which the cheese is on the other side, but clearly it sticks to it. But yeah, that's much less of a cleanup because all you gotta do is get your toaster out, and then I just use the same little plate that I just warmed up the meat on for him to eat on, and he loves it, and it's nice and warm and toasty, just like a grilled cheese. And his is, he likes ham and cheese, but today he's getting turkey.
Next is Landon. He gets the AT&T award for always talking and talking. I want to present you the Playhouse Preschool graduating class of 2018.
Did you have a good graduation? Huh? Where are we at now?
Mama's talking to you.
Can we eat tacos? Weirdo. Okay, wait. You gotta make sure you do it right.
Okay.
Turn around.
Right shoulder.
Turn around.
Don't say your wish out loud.
Oh, you missed. Great, we're never coming back. Don't throw it so hard, just throw it a little bit. Turn. Elizabeth, really? We'll be here all day wishing into the Trevi Fountain at the Mexican restaurant.
It's in the water, bud.
Yours went in, you're good.
Yeah.
No unicorns and snakes.
I wish.
Oh,
I said.
last
I
time.
said I wish. Daddy, I said I
Slow.
wish.
Don't go as hard, baby.
Right hand. Did it go in?
I think.
Oh, I hope so.
Wait, it did.
Okay, good. Yay!
You're never gonna know what I wish for.
What?
I wish for snakes all over you.
But then your wish will never come true.
I wish for a snake in your room.
Oh, you guys are so sweet.